What's good, YouTube? We back at it again. Another banger. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hey, man. But I thought I'd share this with somebody. I know it's somebody watching this video right now. I know this can help. But, like the title, how to make money from TikTok. Okay. It's this new trend going on. It's called AI Live, right? Nah, I know you've been seeing people. I'm gonna have a clip in the video of me doing the AI live just to show y'all it's hard work. I see why. It's actually hard work, but you get paid from it. People give. It's a lot of people on TikTok. I'm telling you. When I show you the screen record and all the other stuff, I'm telling you. Right now I'm just giving y'all the breakdown. But you can make money from TikTok. I would have made $30, but one thing prohibited me to make those $30 on TikTok. It was because I didn't have 10K followers. Now, if you have 10K followers and you stream, if you have 10K followers and you live on TikTok, bro, if you go live for 5 hours, I guarantee you gonna make some money without even doing nothing. You could just be chilling, doing what you do. You know what I'm saying? You might want to do an AI live to have, to keep it entertaining, but for the most part, you can just be live. People gonna give. The TikTok community is big. Everybody is going live, making revenue. So I'm working right now to get 10K followers, so I can make me some revenue. So if you got 10K followers on TikTok, follow me. My TikTok and Instagram are gonna be down here. Follow me so I can watch your live. I wanna see what you're doing, about man. You feel me? But I'm gonna start showing y'all the details and the results. Okay, first thing I did, right? I said I'm gonna try the AI live, right? So this clip right here,
when everyone is acting like AI,
right here, that's playing right now.
All right, well, let's do the battle
then.
If
Doing
you're
the AI live. I'm gonna enhance it. Sit back here and watch this for a little minute.
Yes. You want to do a battle? Battle me? I feel like you're winning before we even started. Did you pray for Damar?
Now, after you watch the clip, now I'm gonna have a screenshot and a screen record of the results. I streamed for 33 minutes and had 407 views. Yeah. May not seem like a lot, but that's a lot. You know what I'm saying? Hey, better than one. You hear me? But here goes that. Playing it right now for you guys. And I'm gonna enhance it, let y'all look at it. But what do y'all think about trying to go live on TikTok to earn you some extra revenue? I hope this video right here helps somebody make some money on TikTok. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's free cheese. You just going live, bro. You can't even go live on Instagram and get paid. Or get gifts. Can you? Nope. Thought so. But it's a quick short video. Stay tuned for next week. Another banger dropping. I love y'all. You feel me? Y'all. And I'll see y'all next time.